there's so much that travel can teach that is not what I can do in a classroom. So I took 36 students to Cuba for about 10 days. We had over 10 performances and about 6 to 8 master classes.
Especially our department is so geared towards studying different cultures that at a certain level it's kind of crazy if we don't go and see those cultures and experience what it's really like to be playing this music.
I think it's really important in a high school career to travel outside your comfort zone. Picking Cuba, it was a no-brainer. The music and art and dance is folded into their culture seamlessly.
People there value music differently than people value it here. Here, like, music is used as social commentary, but over there it's just a way of life. And I'm pretty sure I've grown as a dancer when I went to Cuba.
They learned something from us, and in return, we learned something from them at the same time.
Coming back and seeing how focused and like how hard they study on music. It's my senior year, so like I'm really gonna like try my best, like just make the most out of it.
It was really like the best possible way to connect with them. If we had tried to get a translator and talk to them, it would have been far less bonding than like just simply dancing to music.
This trip offered my students the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to connect with people who are different from them. We need more of this kind of exchange, where young artists are meeting other young artists. The ability to travel and to see how art forms thrive in another country, to completely immerse our youth in another culture, these are integral components of our World Music and Dance program. I hope that our country will support music, dance, and art education, and will see the value that art has in every human.